morning. Come here, Sherry. Come here. Don't be shy. Okay. Thank you. Say hello. Come here. Hi. It is Saturday now, right? It's Saturday? She's a cat. I don't know what the f I was expecting out of that one. I'm going to go get some Starbucks. It's gloomy out, so I'm f***ing thriving. I'm gonna call out of work, probably. No, I can't do that. What you doing? Come on, kid. Whatever. Going to Starbucks. Gotta love a good Starbucks line. Oh, I know you see me standing here. Wow, there's a long ass line, boy. Wow. So far, I haven't been ashamed or like embarrassed to vlog in public. But this woman keeps looking at me in her mirror. It's making me feel nasty. Like, what I'm doing is, like, so rude. Like, I don't know. Staring at me. I'm gonna kill her, obviously. Maybe she's staring at me because she wants to buy my drink. I doubt it. So, I took a little cat nap with Zuri. No pun intended. That would be so corny. And now I'm on my way to work. I woke up to the rain, which was obviously fantastic for me because now I'm already in a better mood. I will catch up with you guys after work. Somebody! Parker is here, obviously. And he's staying the night, and I didn't fill you guys in after work because there really was nothing to fill you in on. All I did was like have a depressive episode and then binge watch a show on Netflix and then had another depressive episode. So we're doing good over here. Now I look literally like Jack. Shout out. Parker has a photo shoot in the morning. Believe it or not, this psycho is a model.
Am I doing it?
I don't know. No, you're not.
I am doing it.
No, you're not.
Uh-huh.
I would bet money.
You just can't feel it.
Bet money.
Didn't even feel it.
You're not doing
Didn't
it.
even feel it.
I literally have video of it. You are not licking it.
Yes, I am.
Then do it.
Okay.
That's fake as fuck. That is fake. Anyway, so Parker has a fucking photo shoot in the morning, so we have to go to sleep because we have to wake up early and head towards LA. So I'm so happy that you guys are seeing how exciting my life actually is, because I got so many DMs after posting my year video that are like, oh, your life is exciting, we get it. And I'm like, well, it's a Saturday night and I just like sobbed twice. We will see you tomorrow.
Alright, good night everyone. Sweet dreams.
Good morning. So it rained, obviously. There's like a plate full of cheese and onions. It's really weird. We just woke up. Well, I just woke up. He has been awake getting ready, but we're on our way to his photo shoot. Hopefully he feels really nice and enough to get some coffee. Because if not, I just might not make it. Right, babe?
Right.
Okay.
I'll get you some coffee.
Okay. Perfect. It's actually f***ing cold, though. What the f*** is this? Gotcha. What are you doing?
You think you pooped your pants?
Don't go, please. This psycho bitch.
Do you think people eat hair dye? Is that why it's gluten-free?
Absolutely not. Wait, why would you think that people would eat hair dye?
Because it's gluten-free.
That's not any reason to eat hair dye.
Oh, I think I'm fucking psychotic or something.
Why do I look ginger? No offense, gingers. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Offense, you soulless fuck.
Anyway, yeah, we're going to LA, so we'll see you guys
There.
in 40 minutes.
Yeah, because I drive fast.
Or because
Vroom,
it's
vroom.
40 minutes away. Okay,
No,
bye. Okay, we're officially here. It was a fat-ass car accident, so it took us forever. We're here. Hello, good morning. Oh, you know, just living the dream. Love him for that. Love that for you guys. I don't know. Hello, hello.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my...
So we are on location now for Parker's shoot. We've got our little, only the photographer. We don't really know her well.
Never met another one.
Never met another one. I will put her, you know, info in the description box below because she deserves, you know, a look-see on her shit. She's really good, and that's not a biased opinion because I know her. Anyway, so I will put some behind the scenes of Parker getting his shit on. He's mocking me back there, but
No,
little
I'm
does
not.
he
I'm
know,
freaking gift boom.
I have a gift boom.
Yeah, remember the old app? You don't remember the old app?
Yo.
What kind of fucking bird is that? I don't think it's real, you guys. Oh my god, it is real. Do they make noise?
Not that noise.
National Geographic is shaking.
Oh, you were pretty close with the noise.
Shoobap, shoobap, my baby, ooh.
There's literally birds.
Poetic right now with the 3 birds and it's just 3 of us. What are the odds?
I mean, I feel like pretty
Pretty high?
pretty high.
Okay.
What-
Next to each other, not spread apart, just ready for us to get on and go.
No. God, this thing's so we found these scooters. I was trying to ride it, and then it shut off, and it's fucking heavy. Oh, I guess I could just walk it. Oh my god, duh. Stupid. I'm like such a fucking idiot. Okay, first of all, nasty, not part of my diet. I'm afraid to slide down this, and I'm literally going skydiving tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. Alright, I guess we just gotta go for it, right? Might as well. Eee. That was my fight or flight. We are all done shooting. She did an amazing job. I can't wait to see the pictures. Woo! And now we're probably gonna head back home because I have work.
Hey guys, how we doing today?
Cars Against Humanity. Parker's gonna lose.
No, Marcus about to fuck this shit.
Like Lady Gaga.
Fine.
Sierra.com/shop.
I'll go first.
Venmo in my description.
How much for the day?
100.
That's it?
At least 7.
I'm like, I don't know. I just need to pay the
At
bills.
least 7.
I'm like, I don't care.
You look at Parker, you're like, wait, is that not?
Yeah, I'm like, is that cool?
Now, self-produced album, sorry. Kanye West raps. Raps
No one here can.
over the sound of.
At least we're gonna laugh this round.
That was worth it.
That was
Kind of worth it.
That was worth it. We got ourselves a vape god. We're here in the building.
No
Did you
shit.
know that you birthed a vape god?
She's like, I hope I didn't.
We got a mom involved.
She knows.
She knows
You
her
know
son.
I'm a vape god.
We got a vape god.
Thank you,
Vape god.
everybody.
Thank you.
She was like, I don't know. I'm like, do I be ashamed? Beautiful. Love it.
Guys, I'm back home, very comfortable in bed. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today and yesterday's vlog, and I will see you guys soon.
And I feel lost.